Gone are the days of relying on sheer muscle and traditional tools. Technology is changing everything around us, and working tools are just one of the many changes. With robotic helpers that can carry your stuff at light speed and wheelbarrows that know their way around a yard better than you, we've put together a list of the coolest, newest, and most innovative tools that are changing the game when it comes to efficiency, safety, and overall coolness. Number 1. Solar panel cleaning robots. Solar panels need to be cleaned regularly because dust, bird droppings, and other impurities can stop them from working at their best. The solar panel cleaning robot is a high-tech tool that can clean solar panels whether they're wet or dry. It can be run by hand for 3 hours and cleans up to 1,600 meters per hour very precisely, going through gaps as small as 70 centimeters with ease. A method called osmosis cleans the water. This means that your panels will be free of any stains, streaks, or scales that could block the sun. This robot is great for people who own glass houses or greenhouses because it makes it easy to keep the space clean and free of trash. Number 2. Tracked carrier machines. When heavy lifting needs to be done, tracked carriers are the most trusted choice. These machines can move between 660 and 8,800 pounds of weight, and they are tough like tanks, which makes them great for use in tight spaces and on rough ground. They can even go upstairs that are 45 degrees off-center. By adding a hitch and making the remote control easier to use, these carriers can be turned into useful pull trucks. They might take goods straight from trucks to construction sites. Tracked carriers were praised for taking on the work of 3 or 4 workers, making projects go faster and safer while also reducing the need for physical labor. Number 3. Bullseyebore core drilling. When used with the Bullseyebore core, drilling is completely different when it comes to lining up the holes. This great electric drill attachment can be used with bits that are up to ½ an inch in diameter and cast green or red circles onto the work surface. Customers can keep their drilling line straight with this visual aid, which uses the brain's natural ability to understand circular shapes to make changes right away. No, the Bullseyebore is not a trick. It is the result of 10 years of research and unique technology that makes precise drilling easy and makes sure that every stroke is accurate. Number 4. Non-drip caulk. Siligun. When using big sealing guns to put sealant in tight spaces, it's important to be patient. Because it is small, doesn't drip, and is made of light materials, the Siligun is sure to become an important tool in any collection. Because it's flexible, you can cut down on partly used cartridges to make the setup even smaller. It works with all standard 10-ounce plastic cartridges. This new discovery fixes the common issues with sealing and creates a simple tool that makes even the hardest jobs quick and easy. This tool is essential for both professionals and people who want to do their own repairs. Number 5. Elephant's Trunk 3. If you don't fancy yourself as Edward Scissorhands, the Elephant's Trunk 3 will save your farming life. This ergonomic harness makes it easy to trim bushes and trees with any hand tool that weighs between 10 and 17.6 pounds. The 3 kilograms pulling force moves the weight of the tool from the arm to the hips, which makes the work more efficient and less tiring. It's also easy to fold up and store, showing that maintaining the look of your garden doesn't have to be hard on your body. Number 6. Viking Arm. Think of the Viking Arm as a helpful person who is always there for you. With a lifting capacity of 3,300 pounds and a height range of 0.24 to 8.5 inches, this technical marvel makes a lot of building tasks easier. The Viking Arm is ready to do any job that needs it, like building a porch, putting up windows, or leveling doors. It can't fix your mistakes, but it can help you finish your projects more correctly, which makes it an important tool for professionals and ambitious do-it-yourselfers. Number 7. Dust Right Quick Change Floor Sweep. Cleaning up is easy after a job with the Dust Right Quick Change Floor Sweep. The extension hose on any vacuum cleaner with a 4-inch width can get rid of sawdust, shavings, and other small particles. This system is revolutionary because it has a magnetic tip that can pick up small metal items and a lot of different attachments that can fit in any space. It makes cleaning up the workshop or garage a whole lot easier and cleaner, and customers love how it has changed the way they clean up. These days, you can't find a dustpan or broom around. 8. Cembre CS-EU. Workers on the rails no longer have to worry about hurting their arms or backs when they have the Cembre CS-EU trolley. This amazing machine makes it easy to move heavy impact tools or sleeper drilling equipment along the tracks. It's not just a way to get around, it also helps with work, making tasks that were previously impossible much easier to handle. This new technology will not only make working with heavy machinery safer and more efficient, but it will also change the way people in the railway business act. Number 9. Makita battery-powered wheelbarrows. Makita's battery-powered wheelbarrows are just what you need to get things done. This self-driving car can carry up to 660 pounds and only needs simple controls like buttons and steering to move. This isn't the fastest, but the speed can be changed so that goods are always moved safely and steadily. This makes it perfect for a supply run longer than 7 kilometers. One of these wheelbarrows would be useful for heavy-duty workers or gardeners because it has a lock and brakes that keep it from running away. Some models also have automatic dumping and drainage features that keep the dirt inside. Number 10. Evobot. The Evobot is a fast-moving cargo robot that can help you run your business more smoothly in airports, stores, and post offices. With a top speed of 37 miles per hour and the ability to move up to 220 pounds, it's very good at moving even the most fragile items safely. Transport expensive or dangerous items with confidence because it's built to stay stable on rough surfaces. The Evobot is a huge step forward in the use of robots to help in many different fields. It has a camera for inspection tasks, which makes transportation operations safer and more efficient. Number 11. Miniature adjustable tie spanner wrench. The small flexible tie spanner wrench, which can be used to tighten nuts, pull nails, open bottles, take things out of their boxes, and even as a weapon if you run into an unexpected problem. You can carry this tool on your keychain, and it's small enough to fit on your keyring, but strong enough to use in many conditions. The $75 price tag might turn some people off, but a practical worker or an enthusiastic do-it-yourselfer might find it indispensable for how easy and useful it is, both in everyday situations and emergency situations. Number 12. Portable Power Pack. Your power tools will never die on the job again if you have the PDC 1200 Portable Power Pack. It can handle different voltages and has a strong 1,200 watt-hour capacity, which means it can keep the Makita Dub 362 blower running at full blast for more than an hour. Due to its lightweight design, which weighs only 19.4 pounds, you can carry it on your back and work non-stop without being limited by cords and plugs. Anyone in the trades who is worth their salt needs this power pack to keep their work going smoothly. That's all the time we had today, folks. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon on your way out. Till then, see ya!